So I want to see where is the data in HDFS. So I will be doing HDFS DFS minus ls, and it is my Twitter data. So I'll be doing that. And so I will be looking into this particular directory. So this directory has the data that I just got from the NiFi. So it's having extension like .json, but don't get confused. Actually, it is Parquet file. How? I will just show you. So I'm going to Hive shell right now, and in Hive shell I will be making use of a particular command to create a table, and then I will be creating table on this directory, and I'll be firing a query, and it will be able to retrieve data from this. So I'll be saying create table, and table name is my Parquet tweets, right? So I'm just giving this name. These are my Parquet tweets, and I will be specifying various attributes. So I'll be saying this is having entity, which is a string, and I will be specifying other attributes. So those 4 attributes were basically, one was language, and another one was basically having other things. Like I will just go there, and let's see. I'll close the windows which are not required. So I'll close this. This is not required. And here we have entities, name, ID, text, and lang. So let's do it. So entities, name, ID, text, and lang. Name, ID, text, and lang. So this is all strings I'm just specifying, and then I will be saying that location of the table, and then I'll have to specify stored as Parquet, and I will be specifying the location of the table. So location of the table I can specify here. So this is terminated here. This is the location. This is location, and here we have this data, and data is under /user/data couch 21 slash here we can specify the exact path, so which is my Twitter data. This is fine. I will just say enter. So it gives me this error. Okay, so what we need to do is stored as Parquet. I'll just move it here. Okay, the table has been created. I'll say show tables, and I will be able to see the tables now, and I will do select count star from Parquet, and I will say Parquet tweets, and I will say okay. So table not found, Parquet tweets. So is it a spelling mistake? Yeah, so there is a spelling mistake. I have to specify my Parquet tweets. So when I do that, here I am able to run a job, and this is running. Let's see what we got. So we got 21 tweets, and if you remember, when we were playing with NiFi, we were having 21 flow files, and we can even see the content of these tweets. So I'll just do select star from my Parquet tweets, and here I can just see what is the result. So you can get the results here. So this is how it looks like. So we got the required details, like there are 24 records. Yeah, so hope you like this end-to-end example of working with Twitter, getting the data from NiFi, and we just played with this in Hive also. So I hope you enjoyed this example.